Hey, it's Christian here, and today is Property Tour Fridays. I'm gonna take you to a property in West Philadelphia. Come on. Here got a property in West Philadelphia, a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Just recently went on the market and renovated. We have new appliances, stainless steels, granite countertop, with a bathroom, a half bath on the first floor. We have a finished basement, an area for the washer and dryer, ceramic tile on the floor, new hot water heater, as well as new heater with a full bath in the basement. Stand-up shower, as well as a sink and toilet, as well as a door to the outdoor. Now we're going upstairs to check out the bedrooms. Got the main bedroom. Nice open space with a nice closet. 2 rooms. This particular room needs a brighter bulb, but it leads out to a balcony in the rear of the house, as you can see here. Right, see the nice ceramic tile in the bathroom. Thank you for joining me on this tour of this West Philadelphia property. Now, if you want to see property like this one or other properties in the Philadelphia area, just give me a call at 267-432-4959. That's 267-432-4959.